Hello, first grade. All right, we've got some big news today. So we're playing start with, get to. But do you notice we're not starting with one? We're going to get to one. So guess what we're going to be doing today? We're going to be counting backwards. What? So start with, get to. I turn over a card, and that's what I start with, and then I've got to get all the way down to one. So I'm going to be counting backwards. Okay? You guys ready? Let's see what our first card is. So we start with 15. We're going to count backwards. You ready? Start with me. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. I think I heard some people counting along with me. All right, let's see if we can do it again. See what our new number is. What? We're going to start with 21, and we count all the way back to 1. You ready? 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew, pretty good. All right, now I'm going to turn this last card over, and you at home are going to count backwards. You're going to start at 14, and you're going to get to 1. I better hear you. You ready? Go. Woo! I heard everybody that time. So good job. I hope you enjoyed Start With, Get To, just counting backwards today. Good job, first grade.